Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Microsoft QuickBooks, a powerful accounting software designed to help small businesses manage their finances. To get started, first download and install QuickBooks on your computer. Once installed, launch the application and create a new company file by selecting the Start a New Company option. Enter your company information, including name, address, and industry, and select the type of business you own, such as a service-based business or a product-based business. Next, set up your accounting preferences, including your accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. Now, let's move on to setting up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your company's accounts, including assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and expenses. QuickBooks provides a default chart of accounts, but you can customize it to fit your business needs. To manage your daily transactions, use the navigation menu to access the various transaction types, such as invoices, bills, and journal entries. For example, to create an invoice, select the Create Invoices option, enter the customer information, add the items or services sold, and specify the payment terms. To track your expenses, use the Enter Bills option to record your expenses, and the Pay Bills option to pay your vendors. You can also use the Write Checks option to write checks to your vendors or the Transfer Funds option to transfer funds between accounts. To manage your cash flow, use the Company Snapshot option to view your company's financial performance, including your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. You can also use the budgeting and forecasting tools to create a budget and forecast your future cash flow. Finally, to ensure the accuracy and integrity of your financial data, make sure to back up your data regularly, and use the Reconcile option to reconcile your accounts with your bank statements. By following these steps, you can effectively use Microsoft QuickBooks to manage your business finances and make informed decisions to drive your business forward.